Hello students, welcome back to KBRA Academy Online Study Channel. Myself Ramaswaya, your mathematics teacher. In previous video, we discussed about the factorization of quadratic trinomial. In this video, we are going to discuss about the square of a trinomial. Suppose a trinomial is x plus y plus z. So we will square this one. So first of all, we will find out the formula. So x plus y plus z whole square means x plus y plus z multiplied by x plus y plus z. Now x into x, it will be x square. This one will be xy, and this one will be x into z, zdx. Again, y multiplied by x, it will be xy. Again, y into y square, and y into z, it will be yz. Now at last, this one z into x, it will be zdx. This one will be yz, and z into z, it will be z square. Now you can see here, it is x square, here it is y square, and here it is z square. So it will be x square plus y square plus z square. Now you can see here that here it is 1xy and here it is another 1xy. So it will be 2xy. Again, here it is yz and here it is yz. So 2yz, and here it is zdx and here it is 1zdx. So it will be 2zdx. Hence x plus y plus z whole square is equal to the x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zdx. So this is the formula. By using this formula, we will solve one question. So the question is, expand 2a plus 8b minus 5c whole square. So in formula, everywhere it is plus, but here it is minus. So first of all, we will convert this in the form of formula. So let us solve this question. So it will be 2a plus 8b plus minus 5c whole square. Because plus into minus, it will be minus. So we know the formula that x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zdx. Now we will substitute this value in this formula. So in place of x, you can see it will be 2a, in place of y it will be 8b, and in place of z it will be minus 5c. So from here, 2a plus 8b plus minus 5c whole square is equal to, in place of x we are putting 2a whole square, here it will be 8b whole square, and this one will be minus 5c whole square. Now 2xy means 2 into, in place of x it is 2a. So 2a, in place of y it is 8b. So this one. Now plus 2yz. So 2, in place of y it is 8b, and in place of z it is minus 5c. And last one, 2zdx. So 2z means minus 5c and x means it is 2a. Now we will solve this one and we will find the value of 2a plus 8b minus 5c whole square. So 2a plus 8b minus 5c whole square equal to, from here 2a whole square it will be 4a square, from here 8 8 just 64 b square, and it will be 25 c square, because minus into minus it will be plus, so whole square will be positive, so 25 c square. From here 2 2 ja 4 and 4 8 ja 32, so 32 ab. Again from here 8 2 ja 16 and 16 5 ja 80, and it will be negative because here it is minus, so minus 80 bc, and here also plus minus minus, and 2 5 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20 ac. So this is the square of 2a plus 8b minus 5c whole square. So by following these steps and by applying this formula, you can also easily find out the square of a trinomial. For today, that's all. Thank you.